Good afternoon. The time has come. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much for supporting Marcoy always. Ilocano ako, mega love shoutout. M's channel. Kokodoni Jubang, mega love shoutout. Thank you so much. Ervin Pedernal TV, mega love shoutout. Pacheck na lang ng bakas ko sa'yo ha. Salamat po. Masing Vlog TV, mega love shoutout. CL and LF USA, Maricoy. Thank you so much always. Ni Jubang Kokodo CH, mega love shoutout. Ma'am Casey, anak ko dumating ka pala, Ma'am Casey. Okay, sige po. Dalawin ko po yung bahay niya mamaya. Yan, CL and LF USA. Beautiful Mamshi, JZ Lion na USA. CL and LF. Wow, nag-aalmusal na lang. Almusal ka pa lang. Yan, mega love shout out. Christ in Jack Singer. Thank you so much. Yeah, kindly check my comment to your video. Nini Vlogger, Naga Queen, mega love shout out. Winter Sprinkles USA, mega love shout out. Sir Borloloy, wala ka nang itatago sa akin. Nakita ko na yung brief mo, tinatahi mo. Mega love shout out po. Black na brief. Oo nga naman ano, kaysa bumili ng bago, ay kung pwede pang tahiin. Yan, Norman Dapdulion, mega love shout out. Thank you so much sa iyong pa-membership. Thank you so much. Kiagas Lamina Official, mega love shout out. Thank you so much for coming. Yeah, keep coming back, please. CLNL of USA. Of course, our very own M's channel, Nollyboy and Family Vlog. Thank you so much for visiting. Ayan, patingin na lang ng mga comment ko sa inyo. Yan, Korean girl. I love what you're singing, but I don't know I can't read your character, so maybe next time kindly put a translator so that I can read what you are singing and the title. Thank you so much. Opa Gangnam Style. Opa. Ilocano ako, mega love shout out sa Labandera ng Quezon City. Thank you so much. Yan, Lerm Steve Vlog, tamsak. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat. Yan, oras na para tayo magpaalam. Magandang umaga, tanghali, gabi. Asa maulang morning ng umaga. Dito sa aming lugar. Thank you so much. Ganyan pag maulan, naka-standby sa bahay. Thank you so much. And good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone. May God bless us all. Bye for now. See ya.